GuestRar brings you the payments portal. In this video, we will see how to create payment links for society members, how this system works, and how you can make full use of the payments portal. First, all your members must update the GuestRar app to the latest version. Then, every member will find the Payments Portal option under My Society. Since this is being used for the first time, the responsibility for the complete setup will lie with the admin. The member whose number is registered as an admin in GuestRar will see the Admin Console button. As soon as you click on the Admin Console, you will find all the process details on the Setup Guide page. Then, upon clicking the Proceed to Setup button, you will reach the Team Assignment page where you first have to select the flat number or unit number of your committee members. While setting up this team, you will have to select two types of team members. One is what we call the global team, who manage all wings of the premises. You have to select their flat or unit number. The second team we will call the single team, which means members who manage only their own wing. You have to select their flat or unit. After the team is submitted, you will have to enter bank details. One set of bank details will be primary. Enter the details of the bank account you use for the expenses and income of the entire premises in this section. This is mandatory. The second set of bank details will appear wing-wise, where you have to enter the details of the wing's own bank accounts. When we set up the premises, apart from actual wings, other wings get created like security, office, and admin, which you can ignore. Remember, you will be able to create payment links only for the wing whose bank details have been entered. Keep in mind that once bank details are entered, they cannot be changed from your end. To change them, you will have to contact the GuestRar team only, so please enter the bank details carefully the first time and complete the setup. When you do this much, your details will be sent from our side to our payment gateway partners. Upon receiving their approval, you will be ready to use GuestRar's Payments Portal. Navigate to Payments Portal under My Society in the GuestRar app. Here you will see a dashboard where, under Payment Request, you will find how many P-links you have created and how many members have received payment requests. You can create a P-link to receive any kind of payment. Click on Plus. Write what the P-link is for, such as maintenance, gym membership, hall booking, etc. Select the bank account. Choose the bank account in which you want the credit. Select if it is recurring or for one time. If recurring, select when it will repeat, every day, every month, or every year. You get all those options. After that, select which members are included in this expense. For members who are not included, write 0 in their amount or leave it blank. If you want members to be able to fill in their own amount, select the checkbox given below. Doing so will set it to -1 and members will be able to enter the amount as they wish. This is useful when you have to acquire funds for charity or a festival. You will be able to select members of only that wing whose bank account you select. The list of all members appears only in the primary bank account. After doing this, a notification to make payment will be sent to all selected members on the trigger date you have selected. You can check the payments of those who pay on the dashboard. Our payment gateway partners will credit the payments to your bank account in 2 to 7 days. Global members will be able to create P-links for any wing, and single members will be able to create P-links only for their own wing. The Payments Portal video concludes here. If you need more information, you can always call. The numbers are 9712497000 or 7069327070.